Welcome to KeyShape's Mastery Guide for Learners, Topic 1, Exploding Faces. Finding notes in all clefs. In this unit, you will master note location above, below, and inside all clefs. Using the exploding faces trick, learning all clefs is as easy as learning just one. Important concepts in this unit include introduction to 5 clefs, treble, bass, alto, tenor, and soprano, understanding how note names are laid out on a staff for each clef, how the clefs fit together, how to find important reference notes in each clef, and how ledger lines extend each staff. Please watch Exploding Faces, Introduction to Notes in All Clefs. And in the KeyShapes packet, please study Exploding Faces, Notes in All Clefs, and Exploding Faces, How the Clefs Relate to Each Other. There are no written exercises for Exploding Faces lesson. If you wish, try learning the music for an instrument that is written in a different clef than your main clef. See you next time.